Welcome to USA Pellet Mills. Introducing our latest innovation, the charcoal extruder machine, engineered to convert charcoal dust into premium quality briquettes in a variety of shapes. Perfect for businesses looking to upgrade their production process. This machine is easy to use and maintain, with an automatic cutter and versatile mold options. Available in different models, the MKC 140 features an output of 600 to 700 kg/h and an 11 kilowatts power capacity. The MKC 180 model has an output of 900 1000 kg/h and an 18.5 kilowatts power capacity. The charcoal extruder machine's production flow is simple. Charcoal dust is crushed, mixed, and conveyed to the extruder, which compresses it into final briquettes. Capable of pressing dry powder into shapes like quadrilateral, octagonal, round, and hexagonal using changeable molds, it boasts a powerful motor and high output capacity. Ideal for business owners and entrepreneurs, the USA Pellet Mill Charcoal Extruder Machine is your top choice for charcoal briquette production. For more information, visit our warehouse or email us at info@usapelletmill.com. Thank you for choosing USA Pellet Mill for your charcoal briquette production needs.